Okay, this is video 3. We're talking about some alignment crap for the cul-de-sac. I've drawn this. Now they're each in individual segments. Let me count them for you. I'm going to have more than one alignment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to have 11 alignments for this. But before we get, I'm going to put in my cul-de-sacs. They should be 50 feet in radius. So I want 50 feet. I have diameter, so it's going to be 100. Whatever. I'm just copy and pasting them so I can move them instead of having to do it in a second. I'll show you. I'm just hitting Control V. Okay, now I'm going to actually move them. Oh, that one's crooked. How cute. Okay, and then I get to offset all of these the 38 feet. Okay, so I want to offset 38. And here we go. This one's going to require a lot more trimming, so bear with me when I do. You can fast forward if you want, no hard feelings. I would. Okay, you notice I don't worry about making layers for anything, because whenever we put stuff to our parcel layer or we define it with the alignment, it will AutoCAD automatically assigns it to an alignment layer, a C-prop layer, or whatever we want. So you don't see me making layers for things. You can if you want. We have Homework 8 text that we're working on right now, but it won't be there by the time we're done. So now I get to trim everything, and I'm so excited. Come here, trim. We're going to leave that to the center. Your alignment should touch. I didn't offset that booger. I'll get that in a second. The center of your cul-de-sac. Maybe a test question. Why? What determines the width or the radius of a cul-de-sac? It happens to be fire trucks. A fire truck has to be able to turn around. Don't forget there's a test Monday. Other test questions: what can parcels be used for? You can define land with them. You can. There's a bunch of other things. Area. Every one of your house properties. Where you live. It doesn't matter if it's a dorm room or a home or apartment, has been parceled at one point in time. Why do we parcel with the labels and bearings? That's so surveyors can go and mark them. I did that over the summer. I surveyed. It wasn't parcels, it was some other stuff, but we had maps that all we had were bearing and traverses from a base point. An azimuth is always measured clockwise from north. You can't have a bearing over 90 degrees because it's the quadrants north-south or northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. That's all we can do. You need to put those labels in there. So if it's northwest, we need to know that it's northwest. Latitude is north-south. Departure is east-west. That's going to be on the test. I can almost guarantee it. I will guarantee it. Not the question, but a question about latitude and departure. North is positive, south is negative. What else? East is positive, west is negative. I got one more thing to offset, and then we're going to make an alignment. We're looking okay for time right now. That we should be able to punch in the alignments. Come on, you piece of garbage. If you're in my office hours, I apologize for me swearing. I do swear a lot at AutoCAD. It never does what I want. Okay, these are all beautiful, pretty, whatever you want to call them. So now I need to make 11 different alignments, and I want to make sure I put them on the correct site. So this shouldn't be that bad. I want that one. I want to put this one on cul-de-sac. Gonna do it again. Make sure it's on cul-de-sac. Cul-de-sac. Whatever. That one should have been reversed. Let me do that one again. So that arrow tells you which way it's going to be measured. I want it reverse. I changed it. I want that one cul-de-sac. Oop, wrong line. Oop, wrong line again. Come on, AutoCAD. Recognize. Isn't this so much fun watching your TA work? Another thing, save often. AutoCAD does not like people. It's like a cat. It will love you 1 minute, and then the next minute it will tear your heart out just because it can. We don't like cats. Mine is a little slow because I'm trying to buffer my videos from before, so I can get them to you relatively good time. It's going to take a while to upload them to YouTube. It always does. We got 7 minutes. We're looking good for time. Hopefully I can get these done. And then I want to show you what we want in the viewport, how to move your stuff to Excel, how to calculate some things. It might be 2 videos. We'll see how I do. These might not be on the right thing because I'm just trying to go quickly. I'll show you in a second. Okay, they're all aligned. I'm going to make a parcel of my road now. So I got to select objects. Boom, we got a road property. Kaboom! So it's all roaded now. And here is the parcel label. Didn't like that one, whatever. Okay, cool. Now we can use the same creation tools, parcel creation tool. I'm going to leave the 600. Why not? You only live once. Second time I've said that in these videos. That's the parcel. Starting down here. Whoa, AutoCAD, hold your horses. Okay, same thing. That's relatively, you know, you're gonna do that all the way around now. So it shouldn't take you that long. You just gotta check the corners, like that one's over, that one's definitely over. But it's all where you put your roads. So I'd probably, if I was doing this in real life, have 2. But you're playing that branch game again. Okay, I'm going to stop it here, and then we're going to talk about things you need to submit for us so that we can grade your assignment, and we'll go from there.